And we're here in Harare, Zimbabwe, just outside Harare, with a piece by Jonathan Mondorahuma, sculpted out of springstone. And it's good pieces I've seen Jonathan do in a long time. Today is May the 13th, 2010. Sculpted from a single piece of springstone. And it's titled Hear No Evil, Speak No Evil, See No Evil, and Do No Evil. And Jonathan, would you join us? How are you today, Jonathan?
I'm okay. How are you?
Good, thanks. And how long did it take you to make this piece?
3 weeks.
3 weeks to make this piece. And how long have you been sculpting?
I think for more than 20 years now.
More than 20 years. You don't look that old.
Yeah. Sure.
Sure. And do you enjoy sculpting?
You mean for the time I started sculpting?
No, I mean you enjoy the work?
Yes, I enjoy it. I enjoy it a lot.
And who started you sculpting? Who did you start with?
I think by the late Joseph Ndandarika.
Joseph Ndandarika.
Then I went to Tengenenge, working with my friend Square Chikwanda.
Okay, Square, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, how long did you spend at Tengenenge?
I think about 1 year and 6 months.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I came back to Harare again, worked with Joseph Ndandarika.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, well thank you, Jonathan. We're going to get another quick look at this great piece.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You can see even on the back, there's great detail. And that's the latest work from Jonathan Mondorahuma. Available from Utonga Gallery, www.utonga.com.